This is a typical SharePoint team site. This one's named Products, happens to be a subsite of the home top level site. What I'm going to do over here is just give you an overview of all different elements that you see on this page, on this home page of the site. And then in later videos, I'm going to go ahead and dig deeper inside into each of these individual aspects. So on the top left, you see the Browse tab, and then there's the Page tab. In the Page tab, it has all the different modification settings, things that you could do for the page, editing the properties, checking out a page, editing, etc. If you go into the Edit page, then more tabs will open up, being able to let you format the text and insert components onto the page. Let's go ahead and stop editing for right now. On the left side over here is the quick launch, showing you the home page, the news feed, which would show Facebook-like news feed for all different conversations and events that are taking place for people and other events that you subscribe to. Then there's the Documents library called Documents, and the Documents library is also exposed here on the home page. Clicking on this link or clicking on this here in the quick launch will take you to the actual Documents library page. Because I'm logged in as an admin, it shows me the edit links, and I'm able to edit these links directly by clicking on that. Clicking on More will take me to where the other apps are available. Each of the list library is called an app in SharePoint 2013. So documents, site assets, site pages, all these things are apps. And also if there's any subsites, they would be exposed here as well. Let me go back to the products homepage. On the top right, once again, you have the newsfeed, documents, and the sites over here will take you to the My Site. If you do have a My Site, it will take you there. If you don't have one, it will create one for you. This shows me what I'm logged in as right now, the administrator in this case. I can go to the About Me page, log in as a different user, or just log out. This icon right here is actually the Site Actions icon. So editing this page, syncing to the SharePoint workspace, adding new pages, new libraries, new lists, all that stuff is available here. As I said before, that all these objects are now called apps. So adding new apps can be done from here. You can also click on this here to go and edit in SharePoint Designer. This is to submit some feedback back to Microsoft about this version of SharePoint. Sharing will let you share permissions for this site. Syncing is syncing to the SharePoint workspace, which is a different application altogether. We will not talk about this here, but look it up. Edit is just like I did before from the Page tab. It will let you go to the Edit view of this page to edit this page. Now follow is something new in SharePoint 2013, and it lets you follow the site. You can follow many different types of objects and events and so forth in SharePoint 2013. This is one of those things here. This will actually let me focus, like it says, focus on content or zoom in to the content piece of it. So all this really did was took away the navigation pieces and let me really focus on the content. Now going down below here, you got Metro style object buttons. The first one here lets me go to the permissions for the site to share the site. Second one here, let me go ahead and click on this one. It says that it will make a new task, calendar, and project summary app. So it'll make 3 apps. If I wanted to do that, if I clicked on add them, it would do that. I won't do it right now though. This one just says that it will take me to the Create Apps page. Here it is. So if I want to add a new app, document library, calendar, asset library, contacts, importing a spreadsheet, all those things are considered apps. Let me get back. This one will take me to modifying the look and feel of my site. It's a bunch of different templates that are available. I can go ahead and take any of them. There's actually more on a separate page as well. So that's how I can modify the theme, the look and feel, the font, and everything for the site. And lastly over here, if I clicked on this one, it takes me to the page where I can change the title, description, the URL if I really need to do that, and also insert a logo for the site. So that's what you can do from the home page of the site. In other videos, I'm going to go ahead and dig deeper into each of these components to show you what each of them are able to do.